Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. It seems that I always singing when I'm talking about something. Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, I'm gonna have to try something else. Hey y'all. Still singing, but anyway, I sing hey y'all, hey girl, hey, 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 hey. All the time I see somebody, my kids make fun of me. All you say, hey girl, hey girl. So what? Anyway, here we go. Today, see this right here? Okay, I made this little lemon tree. I did it for my island, for my tables, you know, for the place setting. It was real quick, real easy. So I want to share with everybody because I'm doing lemon lime for springtime and summer. So let's get started. And please like me, give me thumbs up, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye. A detailed supply list will be provided in the comments section. Okay, so I have already sprayed my terracotta pot with galvanized compound. It is the zinc dust pigment 1. I've taken my aluminum foil that I wrapped around a piece of styrofoam because I kind of like the square look that it has, and I'm just dabbing it everywhere, all over the pot until it's completely covered. I am dipping the aluminum foil in the Ace metallic finish chrome silver to give it that look of a galvanized bucket. I am now going to take my home decor chalk paint that is in Java so that I can create the rust look. So all of the parts of the pot that weren't completely covered, where the terracotta you can see through, I'm going to take a very small paintbrush and paint over that part also, because that way it gives it that rust look. I'm now going to take my Krylon matte finish clear spray to spray over top because I do not want it to be that shiny galvanized look. I just want it to be a little dull. Once my pot is dry, I'm going to take my round piece of styrofoam and a butter knife and cut around the pot so that I can put my moss over top of that to fit inside of the pot. I'm going to take my styrofoam that's like a little square piece, and I'm just going to push it down there inside of the pot. And then I'm going to take my other piece of styrofoam and I'm going to cover it with the sheet moss. And then I'm going to trim all around so that it can be the exact same size. I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue, dab it on the styrofoam, and place the moss on top. Perfect. Now I'm going to take it and put it inside of my pot and press down firmly so they can be nice and tight. Oh shoot, it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna take my butter knife and just cut it in half. So to keep you from having to do all of this in the beginning, just take that piece of styrofoam and just cut it in half before you decide to push it down in the pot. Okay, now it fits. I'm just going to take my glue gun and dab in all the areas that needs to be a little tighter, and so that we can hide the moss and of course hide the styrofoam that is visible. We're going to push that down a little bit and then hot glue the moss over top. I'm going to trim because I just want it nice and neat. I don't want it coming out of the pot almost kind of looking like grass that has been freshly mowed. Now you're going to take your lemon or your lime twig and just push it down in the pot till you get to the very bottom, because that will help it to stay instead of it wobbling to the left or the right. I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue, dab it down there. That way it can stay even tighter. And you got this cute little lemon tree, is what I call it, like my mini lemon tree that can be used for anything in your house. I use mine for table setting. Please like, share, and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.